Hi guys, I have here these HW USB Rechargeable Lithium AA batteries with 1500 milliwatt hours. They are lithium ion. It's a 4-pack and they are saying it's rechargeable 1000 times or even more. And here I have a lot of test equipment which I'm going to need to test these batteries. So this is how they arrived, and so this is how they look. A little bit difficult to open without destroying this packaging, so let's open it from the side, and also here really tight. Let's push it outside. What I really like here is that they come with this storage box. This can be a very helpful thing, especially for travel or so. And so let's take them out. I definitely love them regarding the style. One of the most beautiful USB rechargeable batteries. What we have here is this cap, easy to remove. The cap is not attached to the lower part. We see that sometimes when they are connected with a little bit of a cord or so, here instead we have this magnet. So while you're charging it, you can just put this cap here, and should be more or less safe, so that you're not losing it. What we have in general here, of course, what you have to know, this style has a little bit less capacity compared to, for example, this one here, which has the opening here on top for USB-C. Of course, this is much more convenient, easier to use. But if you want to have maximum power, then it only works with this thing here, because the loss here is lower than here. Here we have the port, and here we have the electronics inside. Here we have only a port and the electronics is underneath, so there is less room for the battery itself, and here we have a little bit more. But sometimes we don't need the maximum, we just want to have something very convenient, and this is why I ordered these batteries. By the way, this is not a sponsored review, I paid full price. And so to charge is very easy like that. We just push it here and we can see it goes into charge 0.6 amps. Yeah, that's quite a lot. And we see the green blinking light, and when it's fully charged, then I guess it's go to solid green or turns off. So we can easily charge all of them at the same time. Next one here. And number 4, so you can see they fit side by side into just one charger, very convenient. And so it didn't take too long, maybe an hour or so, to get to solid green. You can see I've put all the caps here on top. Now we can remove them, put the cap on top. You just need to align it to the side which fits. There is one side which doesn't fit. And so of course I want to test the capacity, which is the most important thing, but also how much power we can get peak. So let's put them inside here. Okay, let's see how much we get. And so let's check the voltage. Of course we have 3 of them, and so 4.5 divided by 3 is exactly 1.5 volts. And so let's check the power here. We have different voltage because we have 3 of them, but the amps are still the same. And so let's increase the amps a little bit. You can see when I'm increasing here the amps, the voltage goes down. It looks like we had a cutoff at around 0.7. So let's do this again. Start a little bit lower again. Let's increase that. 0.456. Yeah, something around 0.7 amps. So it's definitely not the battery where we can pull very high amps, but usually this is not intended. So I'm doing the whole capacity test with around 0.5 amps, and I let it run till the batteries are fully drained. Okay, so the full discharging process has stopped. This looks good. So at the very end, the controlling unit here inside will stop to deliver power to prevent some damage. That's good. So we disconnect it and connect it again, and it won't turn on. That's also important to know. So you cannot squeeze out more power. I'm okay with that, even though I love it other way around. So I've plugged them into the charger, which means it will charge and also reset, so we can use them again. Absolutely no problem. But of course, to see the numbers, we need some other power source. So let's use this power bank here. And so we can see the numbers finally. And the most important thing here is the 801 ampere hours, which is quite below of what they are saying. I mean, 1500 milliwatt hours would be 1000 milliampere hours, and here we got only 800. That's a little bit disappointing. We can do also the calculation the other way around. We had 3 batteries with 1500 milliwatt hours would be 4500 milliwatt hours, and we can see we had a total of 3329 milliwatt hours, also quite below of what they have been writing. This is quite disappointing. I mean, already the listing numbers are not very high, but in real life the numbers are even lower. I mean, 800 milliamps versus 1000. The difference is not huge, but it's still 20% below of what they were saying. But I mean, they are beautiful. The function with the magnets, everything is really good. So I'd say you have to decide on your own if this is a buy or not. I just wanted to show you the numbers here. Of course, they are super cheap. Some of the cheapest USB rechargeable AA batteries on the market. And so if this is the main criteria and you want to buy something beautiful, why not? I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description anyway, so you can check it out and do whatever you want. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.